Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, proud to be able to share with you today this recently arrived and brand new Volkswagen Touareg large SUV, available here in a range-topping black edition and finished in head-turning silicon grey metallic colour and powered by a 3-litre TDI V6 engine. Key equipment highlights on this model include the striking matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with an illuminated front grille, as well as around the side these complementing Leeds alloy wheels will finish off beautiful against the silicon grey colour. In the rear, signature-shaped LED taillights will offer dynamic brake lights with a coast-to-coast illumination and the newly launched illuminated VW logo. Prominent R badging can be found in this model, even features a panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option and a power operated liftgate which will reveal a cavernous load area, and that's before you fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 folding split. This model even benefits from an electrically deployable tow bar which will certainly come in useful to many of you. Inside the cabin you'll enjoy the Varenna leather upholstery with seating for 3 in the back and their own 2-zone climate controls in the rear. Whilst moving to the front, decorative door and dash inserts with ambient lighting can be found, as well as more pronounced front sport seats that will really hug you in. Driver's seat will also enjoy electric memory functionality with also massage function too. Once behind the wheel, the driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped multi-function steering with paddle shifts operating the large digital cockpit up ahead. Choose from a host of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants at all times, or better yet, display sat-nav directly ahead of you. Music, Bluetooth can all be operated at your fingertips, and the sat-nav itself even comes with customizable screens to utilize it. Head-up display has also been fitted to this model, which will project information directly onto the windscreen, and for the music fans amongst you, there's even a Dynaudio upgraded loudspeaker system. The large 15-inch Innovision cockpit in the center is a joy to use, and it features easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony as well as media source inputs. Additionally, FM and DAB digital radio will allow you to find your favorite radio stations, and the built-in sat-nav can be projected on both screens simultaneously. Other great features will also come with a host of vehicle system settings, allowing you to further personalize the Touareg to truly make it your own one. Wireless AppleCarPlay and wireless AndroidAuto will always be on offer here, and the Dynaudio music sound system can further be optimized to individual taste and needs. In the front, you'll find an additional 2-zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a heated windscreen and heated steering wheel, and helping you park is an area view parking camera giving visibility all around the car. Selectable drive modes are available for the 4Motion speaker system, and there's also a wireless induction charger for your device, and also air suspension allowing you to raise or lower the vehicle accordingly. Whilst overhead, you'll find easy controls to operate the sunroof and the electric sunshine blind, letting in plenty of natural light. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.